Rebase is a social capital system with an elastic supply. Built on top of a secure decentralized ledger, Rebase is the basis for an accountable financial system. Rebase is a dynamic asset built upon sound economic principles that encourages the equilibrium with supply and demand by having the ability to alter its supply. The process of altering its supply is called a rebase, and this happens daily.
Feel uninvited.
Now here you can see the entire platform of the Rebase. I will share the link in the description, and the best part and also the mission of the Rebase is the centralized monetary policy is failing us, misallocated assets and digital assets are the future. You can find out all the things on the main platform so you can read it, and secondly you can also check the white paper, because in the white paper of the Rebase they elaborate all the things about the project. Now I will tell you something that how this rebase will work. The daily rebase affects how much of the asset that you own. A plus 25% rebase increases everyone's holding by 25%, while a minus 5% rebase decreases everyone's holding by 5% in an efficient market. The price of everyone's holding automatically offsets and benefits from the quantity change. That is basically the idea of the rebase. Although all owners the rebase can be beneficiaries of a positive rebase where the supply is increased. For all the owners, some owners of the rebase can be beneficiaries of a much larger amount of rebase via the stimulus. Stimulus is a second mini rebase occurs daily, which is made to stimulate the behavior of different kinds of the holders by granting them an always positive rebase. Various models are being experimented with. Follow the announcements for more details. And here you can also see the main contract address, and also you can check out the supply. And right now this token is available on the Uniswap exchange, so you can easily purchase this token, and also you can check out the white paper as I said before. Now I will tell you about the farm and liquidity incentives. Large supply increases can outpace the demand unless supply was constricted by other incentives after the adaptive easing or rebase. Therefore the rebase will also have an accompanying staking model allowing for the yield farming, and this will called up the farm. So it is also a feature of the rebase. Owners of the rebase have an incentive to launch and add the liquidity to Uniswap pools, and keeping their liquidity locked by deposit into the rebase farm, which offers an additional way to increase your yield over a yield curve. The farm allows the depositors from all of the assets of the Uniswap liquidity pools. Community liquidity paired with rebase novel from creates sustainable alignments with the holders. The project and economy generates a vibrant market of the participants and seeds interest in the rebasing system. So it's your time to grab the opportunity, and you can buy this token, the rebase token, because it's a new one and definitely it will help you in future. And also you can check out the tokenomics, because the team is not taking as much token in their own pocket. So it's a great thing about this project.